Alright guys, so today I'm going to show you how to install a glass screen protector or tempered glass. I'm actually a shop and I've been doing this for quite a while, so I'm going to help you install it the quickest and best way. So first, if it has any residue, you want to clean it with one of the those alcohol wipes. If not, then just want to wipe it with a good cloth. I use microfiber, that is the best. I've tried a few. So make sure you get everything off the screen. And this phone definitely didn't have one, so the screen has some scratches on it. But at least it's gonna help it so that it won't get cracked. It's not 100% safe, but it does help. I can attest to that. Alright, make sure there's no dust on there. Alright, looks pretty good right there. So then you wanna grab this and peel that back. And you want to align the top, and you want to align both sides and make sure that it's all aligned and none of the screen is showing. And also, you see right here, you want to make sure that that's centered also, and double check the top right before you start stripping some of it down. You notice I took off about 60% of the back cover of it, and so I'm going to start peeling it back because it's centered right there, and I'm holding it with this finger and slowly taking it off, and then I'm going to slide my finger like this to help it. And you see how that was all in one shot. And now I'm just going to take out a little bit of the imperfections and make sure you wipe it down really good. Sometimes you have to give it a little bit of pressure to get some of the air that's under there. Alright, and there you have it. Alright, thank you guys.